Good morning, students. Today we'll do exercise 14.3, question number 1. Okay, carry out the following divisions. We have to carry out the divisions. Okay, so we'll divide the numbers with numbers and the algebraic expression with the algebraic expression. 28x to the power 4 divided by 56x. So 28 upon 56. So the numbers will divided and cancelled out, and x4 divided by x, then x to the power 4 minus 1. Okay, the power gets subtracted. Okay, here you can see because it is a factorization chapter, so we will do for factors first. Here by taking the common factors, we have to cut this like terms. So common terms are cancelled out. 28x to the power 4 is written as 2 into 2 into 7, and x 4 times multiplied. And 56 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 into x. So we'll take the factorization form and then cancel out the like terms, and the remaining terms is the answer, that is the x cube upon 2. Okay, in the same manner we will do all the 4 questions of question number 1. 36y cube and 9y square. So it is minus 36y cube, so minus 36 can be written as this, and 9y square can be written as 3 into 3 into y factorization form first. Okay, it is the step first. Then we will cancel out the like terms. 3 into 3 and y into y will get cancelled out from the denominator, so no denominator remain, only 1, and in the numerator we get the minus 4y. In the same way we will do the next question. 66pq square r cube and 11qr square, and write the factorization form and cancel out the like terms and get the 6pqr. 34x cube y cube z cube. So 34 can be written as 2 into 17, no more factorization. 51 can be written as 3 into 17, no more factorization. So 2 upon 3 will left, and 17 and 17 will cancel out, and rest of the terms we can return in the we can write in the factorization first form, and then cancel out. Okay, second question. Divide the given polynomial by the given monomial. Here the division of polynomial by given monomial. Okay, so the same method we will apply, but we will divide them. 5x square minus 6x. Okay, so we will take the common factor of the numerator first, because it is a polynomial. So we will take the common term out, x, and in the bracket we will have 5x minus 6. Okay, and it is divided by 3x, so x and x will get cancelled out. Okay, in the same manner we will take the common term out and the remaining terms in the bracket. So after taking the common out, our denominator will get cancelled out from our numerator. Y to the power 4 and y to the power 4 will get cancelled out, and the remaining term is our answer. Okay, same method we will apply in all the questions. We will take the common terms and the remaining terms in the bracket and get cancelled out by the denominator. So only we get the numerator is the answer. Question number 3, 10x minus 25 divided by 5. Here also we will take the common, we can do by taking the common term out also, and we can do by this method of factorization. 10x can be written as 2 into 5 into x, and minus 25 is 5 into 5. The same method we used above. So 5 is taken as common, and the bracket remaining is 2x minus 5. Okay, here also their polynomials are given, 10x minus 25 upon 2x minus 5. So we will reduce this in the form of 5 into 2x minus 5, and 2x minus 5 will get cancelled out, we will get the 5 answer. Okay, in the same manner we will do all the questions of question number 3. Question number 4. Now the polynomials is getting bigger. Here the 3 terms are there in the numerator and 1 terms in the denominator. So we'll write them the numerator and denominator fraction form. Okay, and we will cancel out the like term, that is the 2x plus 1. Remaining term is the answer. Okay, again y minus 4 will get cancelled out and 13 will get cancelled out from 26, and the remaining is 2y into x plus 5. 52 and 104, so 52's double is 104, so 52 get cancelled out from 104, and other terms like pq also get cancelled out, which are like terms in numerator and denominators will get cancelled out. Okay, in the same manner we'll do the question number 4. Factorize the expressions and divide them as directed. So we have to done the factorization first. Okay, so factorization we will do by the middle term splitting here. 5 square plus 7y plus 10, y square plus 2y plus 5y plus 10, and y will take on is common, y plus 2 in the bracket plus 5 into y plus 2. Okay, and take the common factors y plus 2 and y plus 5 and write them in the numerator form, at the in the fraction form. Fraction form we have the numerator y plus 5 and y plus 2, and the denominator we have y plus 5. Y plus 5 and y plus 5 will get cancel out. Y plus 2 is the remaining answer. M square minus 14m minus 32. So minus 14m can be written as plus 2m minus 16m minus 32. So m is taken out as common, m into m plus 2, 16 into m plus 2. 5p square minus 25p plus 20. So here p square minus 5p plus 4 taken in the bracket. Okay, and it is then middle term splitting we will do the solve the question, and we get the 5 into p minus 1 into p minus 4. Okay, 5pq into p square minus q square is equal to 5pq into p minus q into p plus q. Okay, it is using the third identity, p square minus q square can be written as p minus q and p plus q, and 5pq in the outside bracket. Okay, and will get cancelled out by the 2p into p plus q. 12xy into 9x square minus 16y square. Yeah. 12xy in that is 3x का whole square minus 4y का whole square. So 3x minus 4y and 3x plus 4y fraction, and 12xy upon divided by the term 4xy into 3x plus 4y. So 3x plus 4y will get cancelled out, and we'll get the 3 into 3x minus 4y is the answer. Every question will do the same method. We will reduce them in the common factorization form. Factors the by taking the factor of the first term, that is the numerator, and divided by the denominator, and cancel out the common terms. Okay, in this way we will solve the exercise 14.3. Thank you. Have a nice day.